Prayer to audiovisual presentation. Us and to help us to better understand the meaning and goals of behind today's event, let us welcome our very own, the trainer of transport team of Santa Rosa City, Coach Ana Dulceya.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our CPM 2025 dance board. So today we welcome all of you for this competition. It is very important for all of us because today we are going to identify who is going that they will be able to polish their talents. So maraming salamat mga parents for always being there to guide your children, and at the same time to support me po with all the programs that we do for Santa Rosa. So we'll do more this year. I hope that we can do more competitions this year. Hopefully, we will be supported by the SDO and at the same time the Office of the Mayor. So sana marami pa tayong mga competitions and marami pa tayong mga medals na iuuwi coming from the different competitions outside because that is part of your growing. Hindi tayo pwede nandito lang sa loob ng training center because part of the training should also be exposure. So sa mga parents, when there are competitions, I hope that we can always save a little finances for a little budget for them. At least kung meron tayong competitions like 4 na competitions a year, I hope at least we can target 2 or 3 or kahit isa the most out of those mga competitions that we have lined up for this year. Kung hindi man siya masusupport ng city government. But of course, lagi naman po, we are always supported by our very supportive mayor, our city last name, of course, the vice mayor. To all our technical officials, congratulations. You did a very good job. I'm very impressed the way you were able to set up the venue and the parade, getting better every time. So I think we will be ready for a bigger competition this year. Hopefully, kapag natuloy yung ating Santa Rosa Dance Sports Open Championship, then I am at peace that we have very competent technical officials who will be working with us for the success of that competition. So sa ating mga adjudicators, I hope that with true honesty and integrity, we shall be giving our judgment fairly kung ano yung nakita natin. We will be giving them the judging that they deserve according to the performance that they have shown us today. So again, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Santa Rosa Dance Court. Sa ating po magalang-galang na Sir Mario, we could not not be here today because of course we know naman po that he's hosting multi-sports competitions today. But hopefully, sana po mabisita niya tayo later. So, nagpapasalamat po tayo sa kanya because since day one, never po niya tayo iniwanan and he has always shown us that he will support that sports all the way. And of course, our SDO kay Dr. Miranda, na kapag may transport, lagi naman nakasuporta. We also would like to thank him and higit sa lahat sa ating pong LGU, headed by our Mayor Arlene Arcelias and of course the Vice Mayor. Maraming salamat po sa kanila. Sana po ay huwag po tayo magsama magpasalamat sa kanila. Again, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Congratulations and good luck po everyone.
Ayan. So, after